Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. We're here at the Houston airport and we are headed down to Argentina today. It's actually tonight actually. Our flight's at 10:20. We get there in the morning. We'll be there for 3 days before we head down to Patagonia, and we'll be kind of in between Argentina and Chile. And we actually have 3 friends that are going to be joining us on this trip, so it's not just Melissa and I on our normal trips. We're just kind of waiting there for them to kind of get through security and everything.
We have TSA pre-check, so we got through quicker.
Pretty easily, yeah.
And they did. There they are.
So, all right, let's go. All right, so we made it to Landry's. We got about half an hour to get some drinks. All right, guys, here's a good trip. There you go. Boom. Good news. We are now obviously on the flight. The bathroom, because I think it's a little bit quiet here, but we're really lucky because both Melissa and I got a whole entire row to ourselves, so really cool. So I think we can sleep because this is an overnight flight. Alright guys, so we have successfully made it here to Argentina, and obviously we're waiting for our baggage back there. But one tip that I wanted to tell you guys about here at the airport, so there is Uber here in Argentina, in Buenos Aires, but at the airport it's suggested to not take the Uber because, as you can probably imagine, there's a whole battle between the taxis and the Uber. So taxis kind of dominate the airport pickups and stuff like that. So coming to the airport, I think it's going to be okay. But here, picking up at the departures, like right at the gate, because it's always super busy, is probably not recommended. So just go ahead and take a taxi. And they do take USD. So it's from the airport into the downtown area of Buenos Aires, it's about $25. I said, did you enjoy the flight with all the
I sure did.
Yeah.
I was able to lie down. My butt doesn't hurt. I didn't really fall asleep, but it's nice just having the space. When I have the whole row, I put something in the pocket of every single seat.
So really?
People know that's it.
No, I just really need all of them.
Like
they'll give you water bottles, so I put some in one seat, and then I have my own water bottle.
Right.
And then I have like my Bose headphone case, and then I have my
phone
and my charger.
Update on the situation here. We are still waiting on our luggage. It's probably been about 30 minutes, and the reason why our luggage is delayed is because it's simply just raining outside. That's the only reason why our luggage is late. I guess they're
not putting bags on.
They don't like to put bags on the luggage trains. Is their policy apparently. So it's now been 50 minutes, and this is why we don't check bags if we absolutely don't have to. Unfortunately, on this trip we had to check bags because we have, all these big backpacks with our hiking stuff, and also our other clothes and stuff for the rest of the trip. So unfortunately, we had to check bags this time. So yeah, this is the first time ever in our 12 years of travel together that we've had to wait this long for bagging. All right, so we landed at 11:10. It is now 1:21, so 2 hours and 10 minutes. But hey, at least we have all of our bags. And now let's go take a taxi into town.
we actually go that way.
Okay, so Taxi Aziza is one of the official taxis in Buenos Aires, and you can reserve it online, but you pay for it here, and they give you a price in pesos. We didn't really feel like withdrawing money, so I asked her if we can pay in USD, and you can, and she gave me a USD price. My name is on the board as having a reservation, but it's really unclear if we're supposed to wait in line.
We are now here at our Airbnb. The taxi took kind of forever. You kind of have to wait in a few different queues because about 45-50 minutes to get here. We have to go to an empanadas place that Melissa had picked out, and they close at 3:30, so we're gonna try to head over there. It's like 3:09 right now. It's a little bit rainy, obviously. We all have our rain jackets on, but we're just gonna go get a coffee first, and then see if we can find some empanadas. The empanada place that I was telling you about it's gonna be closed by the time we get there, so we figured let's just go get some coffee and then just kind of walk around and see what we can get up to. We literally just stopped in this cafe down the street for some coffee, and here in Argentina, apparently, we get coffee. You also get these little shot of sparkling water, and we already ate it, but these little cookies. So, really good. coffee strong, so that's what we needed.
All right, so we just walked to an empanada place that came recommended. It's called Ña Terapia.
This place.
Anyway, we're hungry. We're gonna eat. It's our first meal in Argentina.
The one thing that is an issue right now is we need to go figure out where to get cash because their card machine doesn't work and they don't take dollars, so we're gonna have to go find some cash. Since all the banks are closed right now because it's past 3 o'clock, we are here at McDonald's. And what we're gonna do is basically buy the smallest item they have, which is like fries, and then try to get some cash back. So we're gonna pay in dollars and then try to get pesos back. So just gotta make it work.
Alan and I got 3 empanadas each, and Marisol got 2 empanadas. I got a pollo, which is chicken, salteño, which is beef, eggs, and potatoes. And I also got a porteño, which is raisin and
No, it's with wine and olive oil.
wine and olive oil. So it's made fresh. I'm super excited about it. I got 3 different ones, and apparently the way they're all crimped means it
What
lets
they are.
them know which one it is, but it means nothing to me. Overall hot. So good.
Which one's your favorite?
The porteño, which is ground beef and olives.
And raisins.
Oh, and raisins. I didn't have a raisin.
Yeah,
But-
it's like sweet, a little
Yeah.
sweet. Marisol, you like that one too, right?
Yeah, the dough is what makes it so good.
Oh, bien. Gracias. Would you recommend this place?
I would highly recommend it. The bread is so good. Our favorite was the
Porteña. And we got 8 empanadas. If we had just gotten 8 empanadas, it would have been like 50 each, so they're like less than $1 each right now. Current exchange rate is like 60 to 1 pesos to USD. So yeah, super inexpensive, and yeah, totally worth the while. Definitely bring cash. Now it's time to go back to their Airbnb, meet up with one of our friends who should have arrived by now, and then
He might even be waiting outside the Airbnb
Maybe.
and is like, what
Rainy.
the hell are they? 'Cause we only have Wi-Fi. He might have paid for a data plan, but we only have Wi-Fi, so we don't know if he's trying to contact us right now, and he doesn't know how to get into the Airbnb.
yeah, so we gotta go rescue him basically. Hey, we found him! Yes!
Then I thought, okay, maybe we didn't have Wi-Fi. That's why you're like,
Well, it's
what's
because,
up? Nobody's phone is being answered. How are you gonna communicate on
Yeah.
the
It's because when we got to the airport, we had to wait like 2 hours to get our bags because it was raining. They wouldn't put the bags on the conveyor belt
Oh,
because it was raining. So we waited there forever.
How's your empanada?
very good, very very good.
We saved you the best one actually.
Is that an Uber?
Yeah, it was cheaper.
I know it was cheaper, but,
But did you have a problem?
I mean, I had no problem communicating with them, like to where to meet.
Yeah, because Uber and the taxi union don't get along here. It's almost kind of illegal, and so
How much did you pay?
1,100 pesos.
how much?
1,100. It was 800,
that's
but,
really cheap
but,
actually.
but it was 1.5 times, so I had to pay 1,100, but still cheaper.
What do you mean 1.5 times?
Because
Surge.
Search price.
Oh,
And the
1,100?
taxi, those workers were all caught out. They're like 1,900, 2,000 almost.
Yeah, those
yeah,
places are
those
stupid.
are the illegal taxis.
How much
so
did we
got
pay?
an official like $14.20.
Okay, so pretty close to what you paid. Alright guys, so we took a little bit of a break back at the Airbnb, and now we are here at Don Julio, Korea of Don Julio. However, they're basically not letting anybody else in the restaurant tonight for dinner because they are literally just super packed. And you can see there's like a huge line back here. And so we're gonna try to go to another place. This obviously is like the most popular like tourist steakhouse here in Buenos Aires. So yeah, we're gonna try to go somewhere else. I think Maria Pena. is another one that we're gonna try, and it opens at 8, so we're gonna try to go over there. What's the deal with the reservations here at Don Julio?
Either you have to make a reservation online 1 month in advance. If not, fuck off, like Nala said. Or you can come for lunch, which is a little bit more realistic.
Well, the good thing about Don Julio is they do serve you champagne when you're waiting, and I did see the champagne just now, so yeah. That is a nice thing, but unfortunately they basically just turned everybody away because the line was going to be already way too long. It's going to be hours and hours, so they said, hey, come back tomorrow. We are now made it to this area called Palermo, where the next steakhouse is, but we just went back and got some cash because we saw there was a bunch of ATMs around here. And so what we figured out is the ATMs do work. You just have to use the specific ATM for all customers. So there's a few, like for example, that one, there was like 6 ATMs, but it was four were for only that bank's customers. So other customers, other debit cards, like what we have, it wouldn't work. So there was another 2 that does work. So just have to make sure you use the right one. We made it to Paria Peña. This is obviously a pretty local spot. Like literally, we are super early because it's like 8 o'clock, well, just before 8 o'clock. And so people around here, locals don't eat until 8:39, 10 o'clock, so we're still early. That's why there's like no one here. But we're super excited because we actually got a table instead of the other place was like completely packed. And we're gonna get some good wine, good steak, and yeah, super excited. Probably gonna get ribeye and then just kind of whatever the waiter recommends. And then we're gonna get a bottle of wine. A bottle of wine literally is like $70, or some are even less.
Because like the exchange
Yeah, the
rate
exchange
is
rate is
1 to
incredibly
69.
favorable for US
They're breaking
dollar right now. So yeah, really good time to come here. Super excited.
Nava, are you excited?
Super excited.
Marisol, are you excited?
I am.
Melissa, are you excited?
Steaks are here. We have ribeye. Literally 4 ribeyes. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Actually, I just realized he never asked us what temperature we wanted our steaks.
Yeah.
So
And they decide.
whatever they decide, we're gonna go with.
The Argentinian way.
Excited?
Yes, very excited.
Yeah. So good. But how much was that meal?
$63.
What do we get?
$15
15
each.
bucks each.
And we got like
4 steaks, 2 bottles of wine, 2 sides, and bread, and 4 empanadas,
And 2 waters.
and 2 waters.
And how many steaks?
I did say 4 steaks.
What kind of sides did we get?
Fries and
potatoes.
mashed potatoes.
And this stuff. This was our favorite.
this thing. The chimichurri.
Yeah, chimichurri.
Yeah, so if not for Melissa, I wouldn't have made this trip. This is so complicated. There's no way
like,
or another
keep
I would have
going, keep going.
no way or another I would have made it like gone to like 3 buses, 5 flights, and 27 ship
This
rides.
would not be possible if it wasn't for Melissa Tan / Melissa Yu.
Yes.
Hey,
What?
just say.
Yeah, I agree.
This one.
Thank you.
That's
Melissa.
me.
Okay, that's
Melissa.
more reason.
All right, we're having a nightcap. We went to a bar, and now we are having another bottle of wine.
It's a convenience store.
But Nava got literally the most expensive bottle they had, which was what, 500 pesos?
Yeah, $8.
$8. Cheers.
Cheers.
And with that, we're just gonna have this bottle of wine, and then pretty much go to sleep, and then wake up tomorrow and explore Buenos Aires. So, see you guys in the next video.